Today, we're checking out 20 insane handyman tools that'll make you say, why didn't I buy this sooner? From genius gadgets to pure dad-level engineering, these tools are next-level cool. So grab your wallet, hide it from your wife, and let's jump straight into the madness. The Woodpecker's Router Table Fence is a game changer for woodworking lovers. Super durable, insanely accurate, and smoother than your barber after one good review. With easy adjustments, dust collection, and adjustable faces, it turns messy routing jobs into satisfying, wow, I'm basically a pro now moments. The MagMaster Pro is like having a third hand, but without feeding it lunch. This powerful magnetic holder clips onto your belt or bag, keeping your tools secure, easy to grab, and always within reach. No more awkward pocket stuffing or playing, "Where did my screwdriver go?" on the job. The NeoBlade may look small, but it cuts smoother than excuses on Monday morning. This compact wireless ultrasonic knife delivers insanely precise cuts with smart power adjustment and cordless freedom, making every project feel fast, clean, and oddly satisfying. Perfect for makers, DIY lovers, and anyone tired of messy cutting disasters. The KNIPEX ComStrip is basically the smartphone of wire strippers. Fast, precise, and way smarter than wrestling wires with your teeth. With self-adjusting stripping, a built-in cable cutter, and an ergonomic grip, it makes cable work clean, easy, and weirdly satisfying for electricians and DIY pros alike. The Trowel brush edge cleaning tool features a dual-purpose design with stiff nylon bristles and an integrated scraper for safe, effective trowel cleaning and thin-set removal. Its durable design improves control while helping protect hands during cleanup. The KUKKO 28B is the mechanics version of gentle but effective. Designed for safe and precise VWR-36 water pump removal, it works with a slide hammer and threaded insert to pull out stubborn parts without turning your garage into an anger management session. Perfect for pros who like control, not chaos. The OLFA CMP3 Rotary Circle Cutter makes perfect circles so easily. Your school geometry teacher would finally be proud. With a comfy ratchet dial handle that saves your wrist from suffering, plus adjustable sizing for fabric, quilting, and crafts, it turns detailed cutting work into a smooth, satisfying experience instead of a close enough disaster. The Torque screwdriver set is perfect for people who tighten screws with skill instead of pure emotional damage. Featuring a high-precision Torque screwdriver, durable S2 steel bits, adjustable settings, and a satisfying click signal, it helps you get accurate fastening without turning tiny screws into stripped metal confetti. The Malco hole saws are built to chew through tough materials like they skipped breakfast. With durable carbide and bi-metal construction, they deliver clean, accurate cuts for heavy-duty job site work. Plus, the Quick Connect system makes swapping tools faster than your coworker disappearing during cleanup time. The Rechargeable Headlamp is basically sunlight you can wear on your forehead. Packing up to 2,000 lumens, multiple beam modes, a magnetic base, and a detachable light. This rugged, waterproof headlamp is perfect for hands-free work, whether you're fixing something important or pretending you know what you're doing in the dark. The NFE6700 is small, powerful, and runs longer than your phone battery ever could. With upgraded motors and 8 to 12 hours of runtime, this zero-emission machine gets serious work done quietly and efficiently. Plus, the removable weights make transport easier, because carrying heavy equipment shouldn't count as leg day. The drop-in fill makes refueling fast, clean, and frustration-free. Its self-supporting design reduces spills, saves leftover fuel, and keeps the process simple. No more shaky pouring or accidental gasoline showers, because the only thing that should be running is your machine, not fuel down your shoes. The 3/8-inch master socket set gives mechanics exactly what they love. Every socket neatly organized for once. With 25 durable metric impact sockets, shallow and deep sizes, color coding, and EVA foam storage, it makes finding the right socket quick, easy, and way less emotionally damaging during repairs. The SpinRite router motors bring pro-level precision to woodworking without the measure twice, panic once experience. Designed for router tables and horizontal routing systems, they feature remote power and speed controls, ER20 call it, and an LED speed display for smooth, accurate, and seriously satisfying routing performance. The handheld steam cleaner cleans so powerfully, dirt basically files for resignation. With 230 degrees Fahrenheit high-pressure steam, a super-fast 30-second heat-up, and a large refillable tank, it handles home and car cleaning without harsh chemicals. It's like giving grime a one-way ticket out of your life. The Airless Paint Gun makes painting faster, smoother, and way less messy than your "I'll just use a brush" phase. With stable performance, durable parts, and easy maintenance, this compact sprayer is perfect for industrial, commercial, and building projects. Because walls deserve smooth finishes, not emotional roller marks. The laser level attachment is like giving your toolbox a university degree. Combining laser measuring, stud finding, and digital leveling, it delivers precise measurements up to 160 feet with smart calculations and app connectivity. Plus, the rugged IP54 design means it can survive job site chaos better than your phone can. The lawn sweeper makes yard cleanup so easy, even your leaves will feel unemployed. With a massive 50-inch sweep path, a huge 26 cubic foot hopper, adjustable height settings, and durable brushes, it clears debris quickly and smoothly, turning backyard chaos into "wow, the neighbors are definitely jealous" energy. The hose reel pressure washer blasts away dirt so aggressively, even old stains start reconsidering their life choices. Powered by a 13-horsepower Honda GX 390 engine with a strong 15 liters per minute flow rate, it's built for serious cleaning jobs. Plus, the integrated 15-meter hose reel keeps things organized instead of turning into a spaghetti disaster. The soft wash brush makes outdoor cleaning feel less like hard labor and more like oddly satisfying therapy. Lightweight and designed for soft wash systems, it easily cleans soffits, fascia boards, gutters, and conservatories without damaging surfaces, because scrubbing like a maniac should not be part of the job description. Those were 20 insanely useful handyman tools that can make any DIY lover feel like a superhero with a toolbox. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe before your toolbox gets jealous. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.